This is the elevator at the Lilly Library, Indiana University, Bloomington. Something generic. Oh, this thing probably needs a code. Okay, that didn't work. Confusing floor layouts, that's for sure. Let's get a brief cab view. Pretty nice looking elevator overall, but nothing special about it. Just got innovation universal buttons. 2,100 pound capacity, excuse me. Hey, here are, I guess, two. Takes a second to level. Let's take it up to 3, I guess. That's how I get out. Here we are. Oh yeah, there we go. There it goes. And that'll be it.